You see the headlines everywhere, and let's be honest, they're terrifying. AI is coming for our jobs, and it's a real concern. You hear these massive, scary numbers. One recent report from the World Economic Forum predicts that by 2030, 92 million jobs will be displaced by automation and new technology. That's the kind of stat that can keep you up at night, wondering if your career is on a countdown clock. But what if I told you that same exact report projects that in the same time frame, a staggering 170 million new jobs will be created? Let that sink in. While all the focus is on the jobs we're losing, a quiet revolution is creating a net positive of 78 million new careers. These are roles you've likely never even heard of. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on this hidden job boom. We'll uncover the unexpected, fascinating, and high-paying careers of tomorrow. And more importantly, we'll break down the exact skills you need to land one before most people even know they exist. So what's really going on? Why this massive, simultaneous destruction and creation of jobs? Look, this isn't the first time we've been through a technological earthquake. Think back to the Industrial Revolution. Skilled weavers were replaced by power looms, but that same shift created entirely new jobs like factory managers, mechanics, and railway engineers, careers that were unimaginable a generation before. We're living through the 21st century version of that, but it's happening at a speed that is truly off the charts. The engine driving this change is the double whammy of artificial intelligence and automation. AI isn't just about robots on an assembly line anymore. It's about smart systems that can handle complex, data-driven, and even creative tasks. The jobs most at risk are the ones built on routine and repetition. Think about data entry. An algorithm can sort and classify information in the blink of an eye, or consider customer service. AI-powered chatbots are now handling a huge percentage of interactions, offering 24/7 support without ever needing a coffee break. The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs reports have been tracking this for years, showing that roles in administration and factory work are facing the biggest hit. And that feels like a threat. For some, it is. But it's better to see it as a massive realignment of what we value in humans. As machines take over the tasks they excel at, processing data, finding patterns, executing commands, it frees us up to do what we do best. Things like strategic thinking, complex problem-solving, emotional connection, and true, out-of-the-box creativity. This isn't humans versus machines. It's humans with machines. The new jobs being created aren't competing with AI. They're built right on top of it. They leverage its power, manage how it's used, and fill the gaps that only human ingenuity can. This is the new world of work, and those 170 million new roles are the continents waiting to be explored. All right, let's get to the fun part. What are these new jobs? While it's impossible to list all 170 million of them, they tend to fall into a few key categories. Let's look at some of the most powerful and promising career paths popping up right now. Category A, the AI and data frontier. These are the folks building, managing, and basically steering the AI revolution itself. AI specialist and machine learning engineer. These are the architects of this new world. They design and build the AI models that power everything from your Netflix queue to medical diagnostic tools. They don't just write code, they're problem solvers who teach an AI how to learn on its own. Demand is exploding because every industry, from finance to farming, wants a piece of the AI pie. AI trainer and AI personality designer. This is one of the wildest new roles. An AI learns from data, but it needs a teacher. An AI trainer is that teacher. They help AI models become more accurate, less biased, and actually useful by feeding them the right information. Think of it like training a puppy, but for a chatbot, teaching it the nuances of language and even empathy. A step beyond that is the AI personality designer, who gives an AI a consistent voice so a brand's chatbot sounds helpful and on-brand, not like a cold, heartless robot. It's a crazy blend of psychology, writing, and tech. AI ethics officer and auditor. As AI gets more powerful, we need a conscience to guide it. AI ethics officers are that conscience. They create rules to prevent bias in things like hiring algorithms or loan applications, and they protect our privacy. They ask the big questions. Is this AI fair? Is it safe? Is it transparent? This isn't some philosophy class thought experiment. It's a critical risk management job for any company using AI. Big data specialist and data scientist. If AI's the engine, data's the fuel. A data scientist is the interpreter who turns mountains of raw data into game-changing insights. They're like high-tech detectives, using stats and machine learning to find trends no human could ever spot, predicting what customers will buy, identifying market shifts, or finding weak spots in a supply chain. Category B, the human-tech bridge. These jobs are all about making sure technology actually works for real people. Digital transformation specialist. Companies know they need to modernize, but often have no clue where to start. A digital transformation specialist is their guide. They create a roadmap for integrating new tech, but it's more than just installing software. It's about managing change, training employees, redesigning how work gets done, and helping an entire organization evolve. Human-machine interaction designer. Ever used an app that was just a total joy? You can thank a designer for that. This is the next level. These designers focus on making our interactions with complex systems, like AI, robots, or smart homes, feel completely natural. They design everything from the dashboards on factory robots to the voice commands for your smart speaker. Automation and robotics engineer. While AI is the brain, robotics is often the body. These are the engineers designing and building the physical robots you see in warehouses, hospitals, and even on farms. We're talking surgical robots, delivery drones, and automated tractors. It's not just factory arms anymore. We're just scratching the surface here. If this glimpse into the future of work is sparking some ideas for you, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We're always exploring these trends to help you stay ahead of the game, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Category C, the green and sustainable future. Tech isn't just changing our offices. It's also creating a massive wave of green-collar jobs aimed at solving the world's biggest environmental challenges. Renewable energy technician. As the world moves away from fossil fuels, someone has to install and maintain all those wind turbines and solar panels. The demand is absolutely skyrocketing. In fact, wind turbine technician is projected to be one of the single fastest growing jobs of the next decade. These are skilled, hands-on jobs building the clean energy future. Sustainability specialist, ESG manager. People now care about a company's impact on the world, not just its profits. This has created the role of a sustainability specialist, or ESG, environmental, social, and governance manager. They develop a company's green strategy, from cutting its carbon footprint to ensuring its supply chain is ethical. It's a strategic role that blends business with a passion for the planet. Smart city urban planner. Imagine a city where AI manages traffic lights to eliminate jams, optimizes energy use in real time, and dispatches services based on predictive data. That's a smart city, and we need a new kind of urban planner to build it. They weave technology, like the Internet of Things, IoT, into the fabric of a city to make it more efficient, sustainable, and a better place to live. Category D, the new creative and human-centric roles. Finally, as tech handles the repetitive stuff, the value of human connection, creativity, and well-being is higher than ever. Virtual and augmented reality experience designer. The metaverse isn't just for video games. Companies are using VR and AR for virtual real estate tours, remote employee training, and even complex surgical practice. These designers are the storytellers of this new digital world, building immersive experiences that feel real and have a purpose. Remote work facilitator, culture chief. Remote work is here to stay, but it's tough to build a strong company culture over Slack. Remote work facilitators are the experts who make it work. Their real job is to foster connection, communication, and a sense of belonging for teams spread all over the globe, proving that great teamwork doesn't need a physical office. Mental health and well-being professionals. In a world of constant pings and rapid change, burnout is real. The demand for counselors, therapists, and corporate well-being coaches is surging. Companies and individuals are finally recognizing that mental health isn't a perk, it's essential for a productive and fulfilling life. Okay, that list might feel both exciting and a little daunting. You might be thinking, I'm not a robotics engineer. Where do I fit in? This is the most important part of this video. More than any single job title, your future is all about a set of core human skills that AI simply can't copy. The World Economic Forum says nearly 40% of a worker's core skills will need to change by 2030. These are the skills that will make you invaluable. Analytical and critical thinking. This isn't about being a math whiz, it's the ability to look at a complex problem, break it down, and make a smart judgment. In a world flooded with AI-generated content and misinformation, critical thinking is your superpower. It's what allows you to question an AI's answer, not just blindly trust it. Creativity and originality. As AI gets better at churning out predictable work, the value of true human creativity will skyrocket. This isn't just about art. It's about generating new ideas, connecting dots no one else sees, and finding totally new solutions. It's that spark of ingenuity that AI can't fake. Emotional intelligence and empathy. This is maybe the most human skill of all. It's the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and connect with the emotions of others. It's the secret sauce for leadership, teamwork, and sales. An AI can process a complaint, but it can't show real empathy. A manager with high emotional intelligence can inspire a team in a way an algorithm never will. Adaptability and lifelong learning. The single biggest predictor of success from here on out is your ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn. The days of finishing school and working the same job for 40 years are over. You have to stay curious and embrace learning, whether it's through online courses or just teaching yourself something new. The future belongs to the fastest learners. Technological literacy. Notice I didn't say coding. While coding is great, tech literacy is bigger. It means understanding how technology works, knowing how to use digital tools, and being comfortable working with AI. It's about seeing technology as a partner that makes you better at your job, not as a competitor. Now, we have to be real. To make room for these new jobs, some old ones are going to shrink. The World Economic Forum has identified the roles that will decline the most. They are mainly clerical and secretarial jobs like data entry clerks, administrative assistants, cashiers, and bank tellers. Essentially jobs where the main tasks are structured, repetitive, and easily automated. If you're in one of these roles, this is not a cause for panic. It is a cause for a plan. This is your early warning sign. It's your chance to look at the skills you already have, like customer interaction, organization, and attention to detail, and see how you can pivot. A bank teller has fantastic customer service skills that could be perfect for a financial coaching role. An administrative assistant has organizational superpowers that are invaluable in project management. The key is to be proactive, not reactive. Start upskilling now, focusing on those future-proof human skills we just talked about. The whole robots are taking our jobs narrative is simple, scary, and totally incomplete. The real story is so much more interesting and packed with opportunity. The future of work isn't a future without you in it. It's a future with different jobs. Jobs that are more collaborative, more creative, and frankly, more human. The transition won't always be easy, but it's not something to fear. It's something to get ready for. The great job boom is here. The 170 million new careers are on the horizon. The only question is, will you be ready for them? What future job are you most excited or curious about? Or is there a new career path you think I missed? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching.